Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, FWD, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, HID headlights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.